We yelling. Steve will get vacuum cleaner.
Hey Bryan, I got a surprise for you.
You got a surprise for me?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the vacuum cleaner.
Alright, so let's plug this in.
Alright.
Start.
Alright, we'll get this baby plugged in and we will start to clean. I don't know where to plug it in.
That's the most reliable vacuum cleaner.
It's amazing.
It still can pick stuff up better than.
I know,
that
and it's
have
gotta be,
new.
it looks like it's at least 40 years old. It's rock solid.
Yeah, it is a good vacuum cleaner. Better than any Shark I've ever owned.
I couldn't agree more. We have our Kenmore at home. It's only maybe 8 years old.
Yeah.
And it stinks.
It's one of those ones where you're pushing on the top of it and trying to make it like that.
Yeah.
That's how ours are too.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
And now I'll unplug it.
And that's your vacuum.